Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color flowers in a watering can. Let's get started. These flowers look so pretty together, and they make the watering can look like a special garden. The flowers love to drink the water from the can to stay fresh and happy. The first flower is bright with smooth petals. It stands tall and proud, adding a splash of color. The second flower is cheerful with big petals. It looks like a tiny sun shining from the watering can. The third flower is a delicate with pretty petals. It's time to give these flowers some color. Let's start with purple. Next is red. Then orange. We have green. Next is pink. Then color blue. The flowers are in a watering can. Have you ever helped water flowers? The flowers love to drink water to stay fresh. Do you drink water to stay happy and healthy? Wonderful! These three beautiful flowers blooming in a watering can, making a lovely sight. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.